Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm doing coordination here on the Reformer. I think coordination is so great, and there's a lot of variables that can make it so easy and give you no work whatsoever. But I hope that what you'll feel today after practicing this is that there's a lot of upper back connection in this exercise, a lot of challenge of your center, and it really helps prepare you for your rowing sequence, right? So you would have two heavy springs on. I have them on in the middle because typically after coordination you go into rowing and then you can just pop one spring off and have one spring in the middle. My headrest is down because it was down for overhead, and then when I spin around for rowing it's already down. Does that make sense? So you're lying on your back, and you can go into this however you want. You can like bring both knees into your chest and your elbows to your side. If you're coming from overhead though, then ideally you're advanced enough to pull your knees into your chest, your elbows into your side, and curl up into a tight ball all at once. Then heels together, toes apart. You press your arms and legs to straight. You open just the legs, close them. You pull the knees in, and then you bend your elbows. Now, as your arms and legs go to straight, the arms will want to wing out. Those elbows will want to go away from your body. You're trying to keep them exactly in one spot. Also, you're trying to press your upper arm bones down like you would for chest expansion. And then as my legs open and close, it's outer thighs, inner thighs, and then pull your stomach in, trying to keep your seat on even though you're bending your knees. So you're really hugging those heels and pulling the knees in. Also, try not to let the springs close you. So I'm not letting my hand just give up and the springs bend my elbows, right? I'm pressing my hands into the handles to control that, keeping your head and chest up the whole time. You do 3 to 5 of those, and you will definitely feel warm and ready to take on the rest of your reformer. It's a great exercise for teaching things that you'll need in the rest of your Pilates practice. If you're new to it, I wouldn't do this and backstroke on the same learning day. I would definitely learn this, get super good at it, and then learn backstroke, because the two are similar enough and different enough to confuse the heck out of you. For more information and classes, exercises from me, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I like to do coordination in almost every single one of my online reformer classes over on onlinepilatesclasses.com, and I hope to see you there and we can do class together and you can enjoy a good coordination. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.